There's an increase in demand for services across the country, and there's actually a shortage of providers. You've got this mismatch where there's not enough people to help the people that need the help. Providers are having to, in many ways, jump through more and more hoops in order to stay in compliance and keep up with the requirements of their payers. For providers to grow and flourish, they need to find ways to do better with less. The average behavioral health clinician spends 2 days a week on documentation. That's 40% of the week. Documentation and filling out forms is the #1 cause of clinician burnout. As providers look for innovative ways to amplify the care that they're providing today and use technology to amplify that care, but also use technology to compress the amount of time that they're spending on documentation and administrative tasks. And one of the key pieces of our strategy is to introduce a guided experience in this outcome management platform.
Bells is a companion to the EHR platform.
Bells exists to remove administrative obstacles for providers. She's the data assistant.
For example,
Today, we've got smartphones with Google Maps, and Google Maps is a guided experience. And I can put where I want to go, and if I'm on a road trip with my family and we decide we need to stop for lunch, I can pull over and stop, and the Google Map Assistant will recalculate my route and tell us where to go. So I'm deciding where to go, but I am super empowered because I have this assistant that's guiding my experience wherever we go on the trip. And that is, in essence, what Bells will do for our outcome management platform. So
Bells is a documentation assistant that we've introduced this year, and it aids our users every step of the way. From time-saving tools like advanced grammar and spelling based on behavioral health and human services vocabulary, it includes the right phrases in notes that are relevant to the services being billed and allows you to set agency-wide standards for progress notes, making note-taking easier and preventing errors in billing.
those are the problems that we're focused on, and we believe that combination of an outcome management platform powered by Bells, a data capture assistant, will make dramatic steps to improve the everyday experience of users at our organizations.